With over 7,000 fascinating islands, breathtaking waterfalls in the Philippines, diverse geography, and hospitable people, the country is a paradise that travelers make sure to include in their bucket list. Most travelers like to see the amazing falls in the Philippines, even though it includes hours of trekking. Watch this video to see the most beautiful waterfalls in the Philippines. Hulugan Falls. While Laguna is best known for hot and cold springs, it is also home to numerous waterfalls that became a favorite weekend destination of city dwellers. One of the most famous is the Hulugan Falls Laguna in Louisiana. It's recommended to go here early in the morning so you can see the rainbow that's always there around 9 a.m. Hidden Falls. Another falls near Manila is the Hidden Falls. This waterfall is near the Hulugan Falls and is tucked in by giant boulders, hence the name. Hidden Falls Laguna is smaller than the Hulugan and is more difficult to reach. Pagsanhan Falls, Laguna. Approximately 300 feet tall, Pagsanhan Falls, Laguna is one of the province's major attractions and among the best falls near Manila to visit. To get to these three-tiered falls, you'll either have to take the thrilling indigenous dugout canoe ride or enjoy a hike. Limunsudan Falls. Limunsudan Falls, located in Iligan City, is one of the largest falls in the country. Standing at 900 feet, this waterfall comprises two distinct tiers. Because of its distant and difficult to reach position, just a few travelers dare this waterfall. Kawasan Falls. There's no doubt that Kawasan Falls is considered as one of the most stunning waterfalls in the Philippines. Its turquoise waters charm its visitors, making it an Instagram favorite destination. This falls in Cebu South is never a disappointment to anyone who has been here. Inambakan Falls. Aside from the Kawasan Falls in Cebu, Inambakan is also a great destination for waterfall hopping. Located at the town of Ginatilan, that is most commonly known for its marine activities like diving, swimming, and whale watching, not many tourists are aware of this gem. Tinago Falls. Hidden deep within a jungle in Ligan City is an incredible waterfall that plunges into a dazzling blue-green pool. Tucked within a ravine, this majestic waterfall's name fittingly means hidden. Standing at 240 feet, Tinago Falls, Mindanao is surrounded by colossal rock structures dotted by thick masses of trees and natural foliage. Cambugahay Falls. Some people don't consider Siquijor province as their travel destination because of the old beliefs that it's full of mystic traditions such as witchcraft, healing, and spiritual rituals. While we don't have any proof that those are true or not, it's actually a good place to explore, especially with the beautiful Siquijor waterfalls. Located at the town of Lazi, Cambugahay Falls is considered as one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the Philippines. Caparcan Falls. To the top of this list, we'll give the crown to none other than Caparcan Falls. Caparcan Falls, also known as Mulawin Falls, is found in Sitio Caparcan, Barangay Caganayan, Tineg, in Abra Province. It is literally a high terraced waterfall filled with a number of small basins.